Hello guys, welcome to my first vlog, and here I am at Millennium Park with my mom, dad and brother. Ma, say hello. Dada. So actually Millennium Park is closed due to the pandemic, as we all know. Let's show the Millennium Park right now, but it is closed and we don't have the allowance to get inside it. But I am already too much excited, and I was too much excited about the rides, but after I came over here I was too sad. So it's closed, the gate is closed, and we don't have the allowance to get inside it, but it's a great place to visit. And here I am spending quality time with my dad, mom. The sun is too dazzling and this scorching heat is too much irritating, but still it's a refuge. It's an environmental refuge, and it's also Kolkata Heritage River Cruise, and it is near to Freili Ghat. It's a great enjoyment to come over here. Ma, say, how are you feeling? কেমন লাগছে এখানে এসে? খুব ভালো লাগছে. And here we are at the tea stall because we were too hungry and thirsty. From the morning I was like in the state of fasting. I didn't eat anything, and actually we hardly ate anything after means I had a tight schedule from the morning after attending my online classes. I just came here and it was hustle and bustle, but here we are at the tea stall and my dad is now having a cup of tea. How is it? How is the tea? Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog again, and we are enjoying it a lot, and it's like a refuge from the life, from the daily routine, from the hustle bustles in our life, and it's a refuge from that. It's very soothing, the calming sensation which we are having. It's very soothing to come over here, though it's hot right now due to the dazzling sunshine, but I hope we will be enjoying the voyage which we will take after some times, and I'll show the full experience I'm having during the voyage. So let's see what surprise is waiting for us. Till that, stay tuned. It's so calming, and there is the Howrah Bridge we can see there. It's a great pleasure to be a part of this voyage, and here I am on the launch approaching towards the famous Howrah Bridge, and the calming sensation, the breeze, it's feeling too charming, and it's like a refuge from the hustles and bustles of the life we have and we face every day. We are approaching towards Howrah Bridge and we are too close. And we can also see the Howrah station over here. Let me show you some surprises. Actually, I have a fondness towards candies and all right from the beginning of my childhood. It's like happiness for me. And this is the uncle who was selling. Uncle, tata, hi kore dao. So hello guys, now we are heading back towards the point where from where we started this journey. It was a great journey, it was a great expedition. Welcome back to my vlog, and we are now at Prinsep Ghat, which is situated at the river bank of Hooghly River, and it's a calm place, it's a serene place, and we are enjoying here a lot. And it was named after James Prinsep, and it dates back to long years ago, and I don't exactly remember the date. Anyways, now by saying goodbye to Prinsep Ghat, we are heading towards Victoria Memorial, and let's see what's waiting there for us. As we know, one of the most important heritage places, Victoria Memorial. So let's go there. We had a great time here, though it was dazzling sunshine, but we had a great time here, and now we are heading towards first, that is Puchkas. কেমন সেরা মা কেমন খেতে
চাপ হয়ে গেল কিন্তু
হ্যাঁ দিস ইজ দ্য রিয়েল প্রেশার
ওই যে এসে গেল ওই যে যা পয়েন্টটা এসে গেছে পয়েন্টটা এসে গেছে চাপ চাপ দিস ইজ কল্ড চাপ দিস ইজ কল্ড প্র্যাকটিক্যাল চাপ যাকে দেখাবি তারা ভাবে শুধু খেতেই গেছে খালি খাচ্ছে আর খাচ্ছে
বাঙালিরা ঘুরতে এসে আর খাবে না, এটা কোনোদিন হতে পারে? And we are here at Victoria Memorial, the most prestigious and heritage place situated in Kolkata. And this is the beautiful garden of Victoria Memorial, and it's really a pleasure and a pleasant experience to come over here. And the weather is too soothing right now, because as we know that winter is approaching, winter is coming. So during this time of the season, during this time of the month, it's too pleasing, it's too soothing to come over here. So this is the beautiful garden full of flowers and different kinds of trees. I'm already guilty of not visiting this wonderful place for a long time after I visited while I was a kid. So it's a great experience. It is a memorial to Queen Victoria, the then Empress of our Kolkata, when Kolkata was also a part of British cantonment, or when it was colonial period or colonial era of our country, in our country rather. So actually the construction of this whole building, the construction of this whole monument was proposed by Lord Curzon. So, and this is a great experience, a great pleasure to come here and spend the whole evening and spend the whole day with my family, and it's a great time, great place to come with your friends and spend the time. So being born and brought up in Kolkata has made me so close to Kolkata, which is my city. I am too much connected to it, and staying in Kolkata and feeling it means it feels like staying in a kaleidoscope. And being brought up and born in Kolkata makes me so proud of my city, of all the heritages, buildings and everything that my city boasts about, the cuisines, the delicacies that it has, Bengali delicacies, everything about Kolkata is so much connected to me. And so actually let's come back to my own language, Bengali. তো কলকাতা ঘুরতে ঘুরতে আমার একটা ছোট্ট করে একটা গান মনে পড়ে গেল, প্রাক্তন ফিল্মের গানটা, সেটা হচ্ছে কলকাতা, অনুপম অনুপম রয়, সরি। শহর জুড়ে যেন প্রেমের মরশুম, আলোতে মাখামাখি আমার গ্রিন রুম, কখনো নেমে আসে অচেনা প্যারাশুট, তোমাকে ভালোবেসে আমার চিকুট কলকাতা, তুমিও হেঁটে দেখো কলকাতা, তুমিও ভেবে দেখো কলকাতা, তুমিও হেঁটে দেখো কলকাতা, তুমিও ভেবে দেখো যাবে কি না যাবে আমার সাথে।